Okay, so this is a Panasonic GH1 camera, quite an old camera now. And plugged in here is a 2.5mm 4-pole jack that goes into the remote control socket, microphone as well actually, and then 2 wires come out of it, and we've got some resistors here, which is a bit of a mess, but altogether currently it adds up to 41 kilo ohms, 41,000 ohms. And if I press this button, it'll reduce it to 5 kilo ohms. If I press that button, it'll reduce it to 2. So look what happens. Watch the screen. So if I press this one, it focused. If I press this one, it takes a picture. I could hold one down, so I could go focus, press the second one. And that's basically how these buttons work when you press down a little bit and then you press the full amount. It just changes these resistors. And what I'm looking at now is this. This is an ESP8266 microcontroller with Wi-Fi actually, but I'm not using that yet. And this is controlling this chip here. And this chip has 2 little potentiometers inside of it, and potentiometers variable resistance. But it means that I can program it so that the resistance between these 2 points here, which will eventually go to the jack, is the right resistance. And then I can build a little web interface for this, or plug in one of these, which is a Bluetooth module, connect it to a phone, and then it would be completely wireless, whatever, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, remote control for a camera. It's amazing how simple these things are. Anyway, this is the end of this experiment. So if I just reset this, see we've got about 41, about 5, and then we should have about 2, and it'll stop. So I should be able to program this now that I've verified the right values I need to program on that to get the right values here. It should work. So right, we've got it wired up now. The jack just going into the to the resistor thing there. And if I reset it, it'll go through the cycle, which will start at 41, which it is now, wait for a few seconds, then focus, then take a picture. So I'm going to reset now. There's the focus. And there's the picture. Excellent. So now, like I said, what this means is now I can build a little web interface to begin with that just has a button which I can go to on my mobile phone. Press a button, it'll take a picture. Magic. Let's do that again. Wait a few seconds, do a focus. Here it is. And voila! It works!